Hey guys, it's Jen of All Trades. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing another unboxing video. This is the Ipsy Glam bag for September 2019. So we're gonna get right into this right now. Alright, so to start, I'm just going to point out this amazing bag. This is seriously one of my favorite bags that they have come out with. It's a canvasy, real beautiful dusty rose. Because these, it must be. Okay, beautiful color bag, and it has the horoscope zodiac stuff on it, along with a little, it looks like a rose quartz gem tag thing, right? Gem tag. Little zipper tag thing on there. So that is really beautiful. Right up my alley, right my style. I love it. So I'm going to show you, this is, I did get some add-ons. So this goes, okay, I'm going to show you my two add-ons that I did. You can add those on for $3 for the sample sizes each month, which I really like doing. So this first one, it comes like this. So this is Skin Iceland Solutions for Stressed Skin. It is a youth serum. It is an Icelandic youth serum. So this is what it looks like. And from what I can see from looking in the light, it is an actual full-size container. So that is awesome. And then I have the Hanhu Watermelon Illuminator Overnight Serum. So serums are always a good thing to have. I personally enjoy them a lot. I'm all about me some skincare and some anti-aging shit, you know, because you don't stay looking like this in your 30s unless you got it. So that's just my thing that I like to add. So let's get right into what the actual thing is and what I personally got in my bag. The first thing I'm going to pull out, this is pretty big right on top. This is a Murad Hydrodynamic Ultimate Moisturizer. So there's that. Let's see what it looks like and smells like, because you know I'm a smeller. Oh my gosh. That's so little. What in the world? They gave us this massively big container for a little itty bitty moisturizer. At least it looks full on the bottom. It's not one of those little dome ones. So this says 92% reported fine lines and wrinkles appeared less visible. Huh. Interesting. So let's see what this is all about. Alright, so it's a good amount of cream. You figure you don't really need a whole lot. Oh, it's thick. It's like an actual cream. It's really thick. Alright. I don't really smell a whole lot. Don't smell like anything. So just your basic cream. Yep, just a basic cream. There you go. Oh, and Ipsy doesn't have a pamphlet, do they? Yeah, they have this. Okay, so they do have this that tells me what I got in it, so if I had any questions, but it does not have retail prices, so there's that. Oh, and they are starting a new thing, so beginning September 24th, so for the October Glam bag, you will be able to choose one product every month, which I've already done, and now you can add up to 5 add-ons, which previously you could only add on 3, which sucked because I really liked the add-ons, but now you can do up to 5, so that is really freaking awesome. Alright, so Ipsy is stepping up their game. Alright, so for this, we have the Beauty Crop, and it has a little resealable thing on it. This is in the color Serene. That's what she looks like. Very pretty holographics. Ooh, look at that. That's a pretty purple. Very pretty, and I think I will save this for giving away purposes. Alright, and next we have, I like how everything's in little bubble wrap. Oh crap. Do the toes, there we go. Okay. This is a matte liquid lipstick in La Beauté Fatale. What is up with all the French stuff? I just did my Allure unboxing and everything was French stuff. Alright, so not that there's anything wrong with that. So this is a little brush. This is so weird. It's in the color Tough Love, but I can't see the color on this. This is so strange. I'm assuming that if I keep twisting, the product will come out of the top. So let's do that. Maybe you don't pump it. Maybe I'm twisting it the wrong way. Or there's just not a lot of product in there. I'm doing it and there's just nothing there. So, alright. Can you leave a comment below and tell me, am I doing something wrong or did I get a dud? There's legit nothing happening. I feel like there should be something happening. It doesn't go this way. It only twists this way. It says it's a matte liquid lipstick, so it should actually be a lipstick, but it's literally just a brush and a top. You can't pull it out. I don't want to break it. It doesn't twist. I don't know. So if you guys know the trick to this, let me know. And if not, it looks like I might be emailing Allure. Ipsy. Alright, so next we have Ofra. I love Ofra. Okay. I have one of their highlighters and it is like the only one that I use. And I got Jeffree Star shit too, but I like Ofra's. Alright, so this is Madison Miller. This is Blush Sweet Stuff. So there you go. I've never tried any of their blushes, but I love blushes. It's one of my favorite things to get, which I know sounds really weird, but I'm just, oh, that feels so nice. Look at that. It's like it's skin tone. I mean, not that this is the correct way to put on blush. You can definitely see it though. Okay, I just don't have my brushes with me. But there you go. Oh my gosh, I look like a clown. Alright, well, we're not going to do that again. Alright, and we have one more thing in here. I freaking love this bag so much. Okay. Skin & Co. Truffle Therapy. Shimmering oil. This, ooh, we have an Italy. Oh my gosh, that's so pretty. That's what the box looks like, and look at this. It's glittery. Oh my gosh, that's so freaking cute. I wish my focus. It's just a little blurry. Yeah. Oh my gosh. What do I do? It's oil. Facial oil you put on your face. See, I feel like, okay, look. Aromatic fragrance reminiscent of a sun-kissed summer day spent on the beach. Day to night glow. So you put this on your face. I think of glitter as like putting it like around like your chest area. Let's see. Alright, so it does definitely reminds me of summer. It smells like a, I'm gonna do a little on my hand. It smells like sunscreen. Suntan lotion. I'm not seeing a whole lot of glitter. It just looks like oily. It does have like a different kind of smell to it. So, I don't know. I'm not quite sure. It's really cool. I don't personally like to be like shiny or anything. But if you want to, I mean, I don't know. Might be something to try out at a later date. Alright. I'm just going to stick this back in here. So let's go over everything. We'll do a quick recap on everything that we got in our Ipsy Glam bag. So again, we have this super awesome, just the makeup on it, super awesome bag. And I'm just going to put the stuff back in here. So we have our shimmering oil. We have our liquid matte lipstick that I have no idea what color is other than Tough Love. And it doesn't work. May or may not be dried out. I don't know. Murad moisturizer. We have our blush. And we have our purple eyeshadow. And I have my two add-ons, which is the Icelandic Youth Serum and the Overnight Serum as well. I call that. Yes. Watermelon. You know what? Let's smell the watermelon. Oh, that smells so good. It's a clear liquid. Oh, it smells so amazing. It's fruity, it's watermelony. It really smells like watermelons. That's so pretty. It's a real thickness. I have so much crap on my hands right now. Alrighty, well, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you're not familiar, or you should be, I'm probably pretty sure that you are. It is a $10 a month for the Ipsy Glam bag. You do have the option for the $3 add-ons, and they are going to be upping their game, especially starting in October. It does say the value is going to be $50 or more in every single bag, so for 10 bucks you can't beat trying different brands and things like that, and I've never been disappointed. So if you guys are interested, there is a link below in the description. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. If you like the unboxing, you like the stuff I got, if you got different things, let me know in the comments below. And if you're not already, make sure you subscribe for more awesome videos. I'll see you guys on my next one. Okay, bye.